Old Coleon, Highland Ave, Cadalery. Every day I get up, I gotta hustle. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no time to play. You feel me? Gotta get it.
I gotta hustle. No time to sit back. No time to relax. No time to get back. I gotta hustle. No time to relax. No time to get back. No time to sit back. I gotta hustle. No time to relax. No time to get back. No time to sit back. I gotta hustle. No time to sit back. No time to relax. No time to get back. I gotta hustle.
I gotta hustle till it's alright. If it take me all day and all night. Hey, gotta make that wrist right. Gotta make sure that a nigga sit right. Me and my clique, yeah, we move nice. Every day, man, under moonlight. Gotta get that dough and see it stack up. That's when a nigga feel he got up. Cause back then I was feeling stuck. Didn't have 2 cents, didn't have a buck. Feeling like everybody out here talking stuff. They looking down on niggas cause we ain't up. I kept going, I knew where to come. Got a bankroll, I can't fold it. Looking at them niggas like, yeah, they need to know it. Now I show it, but look at this money, I won't blow it.
No time to sit back, no time to relax, no time to get back. I gotta hustle. No time to relax, no time to get back, no time to sit back. I gotta hustle. No time to relax, no time to get back, no time to sit back. I gotta hustle. No time to sit back, no time to relax, no time to get back. I gotta hustle.
I let it go from the dough when you finally getting money and you up on your toes. Gotta watch, cause now your bankroll can't fold when them girls on your jock, the ones that you didn't know or didn't know you. Before they heard that you was making it, them risks and the moves, now they heard that you was taking it. And now everything that they say will make us is making sense. Cause you out here looking like, yeah, them dead presidents. Ben Franklin, niggas still thinking. Remember when I couldn't afford to cop me a drink? Now a nigga drinking. Top shelf, y'all niggas out here looking at me like, damn what he doing, and damn what they thinking. I don't give a fuck, cause they didn't help a nigga when he was shit out of luck. Or up shit's creek, the streets was deep, but now a nigga getting money and up on his feet. You gotta watch some snake ass niggas that be around, trying to keep a real tight nigga that's cut down. Y'all niggas talking crazy, don't cut on me, I'm just uncut, I'm raw, and it's what they be needing to see. My demeanor is more different than the rest of them. I told them I grew up with some of the best of them. And them other niggas shot at the rest of them. May they rest in peace, they ain't never been in the street.
I gotta hustle. No time to sit back, no time to relax, no time to get back. I gotta hustle. No time to relax, no time to get back, no time to sit back. I gotta hustle. No time to relax, no time to get back, no time to sit back. I gotta hustle. No time to sit back, no time to relax, no time to get back. I gotta hustle.
That's all I know. Old Cody, Highland Ave, Cadalery, J.I. You know every day we on our grind, baby. So it's only right that we shine. Shouts out Big C, Speaker Poison, Elmar, Baby Boy Papa, Tim Dog, Ren, the rest of my compadres out there doing their thing. King David, all you boys, shouts out to you. You know what I'm saying? We gotta hustle. Take care of our kids, you feel me? That's what I do it for. Oh, I'm out.